Looking for a reliable way to draw water from your well? The best shallow well water pump ensures consistent water pressure and dependable performance for homes, farms, and gardens. Discover top-rated models designed for efficiency, durability, and hassle-free installation. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aquastrong 1.6 HP Shallow Well Pump. The Aquastrong 1.6 HP shallow well pump is a high-performing, dependable option designed for residential water supply, garden irrigation, and various water transfer needs. This pump is equipped with a powerful 1.6 HP efficient capacitor motor paired with a durable impeller, ensuring impressive suction capabilities up to 26 feet and a maximum flow rate of 1,320 gallons per hour. With a maximum head lift of 164 feet, this model is well suited for both moderate and demanding water delivery applications. Its stainless steel housing not only enhances durability, but also offers excellent corrosion resistance, making it a reliable choice for long-term use outdoors. One standout feature of the Aquastrong pump is its automatic pressure switch operation, which starts the pump at 20 psi and stops at 40 psi, offering hands-free convenience and protection against overuse. Complementing this is a compact 5-gallon pressure tank that helps prolong the pump's service life and ensures steady water pressure. A built-in pressure gauge allows users to easily monitor system pressure at a glance, while the waterproof on-off switch ensures operational safety in damp or wet conditions. The unit also boasts smart safety features, including a temperature-sensing overload stop mechanism that halts the motor if it detects abnormally high temperatures due to water shortages or operational stress. This thoughtful addition protects the motor and extends the pump's lifespan. The 6.5-foot UL-listed power cord enhances ease of placement and setup. Additionally, the durable carbon ceramic mechanical seal effectively prevents water leakage, while the pre-installed 1 NPP outlet and inlet ports come with 3/4 garden hose adapters and PTFE tape for easy and secure connections. Number 2. Vevor 1 HP Shallow Well Pump. The Vevor 1 HP shallow well pump delivers a compelling mix of powerful performance and durable construction, making it a valuable choice for homeowners managing wells, gardens, or small agricultural operations. Despite being listed as a shallow well pump, this model boasts specifications comparable to deeper well applications, featuring a robust 1.9 HP input and 1.0 HP output motor. It operates on a 115-volt power supply and requires a well diameter at least 10 mm larger than the pump's 4-inch size for proper installation. This design provides an impressive maximum flow rate of 37 gallons per minute and a maximum head lift of 207 feet, which is exceptional for a pump in its category. Built for durability, the Vevor pump features a full stainless steel construction, including the outlet and connecting parts, offering outstanding corrosion resistance and extending its operational lifespan even with prolonged submersion. With an ETL certification and IP68 waterproof rating, this pump is designed to operate safely and reliably for 8 to 10 years, providing excellent value for the investment. The integrated powerful copper motor and high-precision rotor ensure smooth, stable operation and include built-in overheat protection to prevent damage during adverse conditions. Adding to its versatility, this pump includes a built-in check valve to prevent backflow and a stainless steel filtration mesh that blocks debris and impurities. For new wells with heavy sediment, users can easily attach an extra layer of gauze for enhanced filtration. The 33-foot electric cord provides convenient placement options, especially for remote or hard-to-reach well locations. Number 3. Red Lion 1 HP Shallow Well Pump. The Red Lion 1 HP shallow well pump is a trusted heavy-duty option ideal for residential water supply systems, garden irrigation, and small-scale farming applications. This premium shallow well jet pump is crafted with durability and performance in mind, featuring a rugged cast iron casing and volute that promise long service life and consistent operation even in demanding environment. The pump's design includes a 1 1/4 FNPT suction intake and a 1 FNPT discharge, capable of drawing up to 23 gallons per minute, making it a reliable performer for steady, efficient water delivery. Equipped with a powerful 1 HP motor, this model operates on either 115 or 230 volts, providing flexibility to match varying household or farm electrical setup. A built-in capacitor enhances starting power, while CSA certification ensures compliance with stringent safety and quality standards in both the USA and Canada. The heavy-duty motor not only provides reliable operation, but is designed for high-efficiency performance, reducing operational costs over time. Additionally, features include a factory preset 30-50 pressure switch, ensuring automatic operation within this pressure range. The pump delivers a maximum pressure of 65 psi and a maximum head of 150 feet, suitable for most shallow well applications. The durable glass-filled thermoplastic impeller and diffuser further contribute to the pump's longevity by resisting wear and corrosion.
Number 4. Pumpman 1.5 HP Shallow Well Pump. The Pumpman 1.5 HP shallow well pump offers powerful, dependable water transfer and irrigation solutions for homeowners, gardeners, and small-scale agricultural operations. Designed to handle various applications from well water extraction to garden watering, this efficient shallow well pump boasts a sturdy 1.5 HP motor capable of delivering up to 1,100 gallons per hour. With a maximum lift head of 164 feet and a suction depth of 26 feet, this pump ensures reliable water supply for a wide range of outdoor and residential uses. Built to last, the Pumpman pump features a stainless steel pump head combined with an aluminum body, providing excellent durability against rust and harsh environmental conditions. Its integrated, compact construction enhances operational stability, while an iron handle adds portability and convenience, making it easy to transport and position around the property. Safety is paramount with this model, which includes built-in overheat protection and automatic shutoff capabilities when water levels drop too low, safeguarding the motor and preventing damage. The IPX4 waterproof and dustproof rating ensures dependable operation in diverse weather conditions. This versatility extends to its application range, making it suitable for hose connections, self-priming tasks, and pressure boosting systems when paired with a regulator, not included. Number 5. VIivosun 1.6 HP Shallow Well Pump. The VIivosun 1.6 HP shallow well pump is a high-performance, reliable option for homeowners and gardeners seeking efficient water transfer and irrigation solutions. With a durable stainless steel pump head and NSF 61 and ETL certifications, this model ensures top-tier quality, rust-proof performance, and long-lasting durability. The pump's powerful 1.6 HP motor achieves a maximum flow rate of 1,300 gallons per hour, with a maximum suction height of 26 feet and a maximum lift height of 164 feet, making it suitable for a wide range of residential water supply and outdoor watering needs. A standout feature of this model is its automatic booster system, which includes a 5-gallon pressure tank to minimize pump cycling and extend the unit's operational lifespan. The built-in pressure switch starts the pump at 30 psi and stops at 50 psi, preventing motor overload and reducing the risk of burnout. Additionally, a conveniently located pressure gauge allows for easy real-time monitoring of system pressure. Safety considerations are thoroughly addressed with integrated overheat and overload protection, automatically halting the motor in adverse conditions to prevent damage. The pump is user-friendly, requiring simple priming before startup, and includes thread seal tape, garden hose adapters, and a filter foot valve in the package for added installation convenience. Designed for multiple applications, the VIivosun pump is ideal for draining water from shallow wells, ponds, rain barrels, and water transfer systems. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.